Welcome, today in front of me Lenovo Legion, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go into the settings application and here click on the Wi-Fi section. Here you will see the all, and just to activate the Wi-Fi you should click once here on the switcher, and after that you will see here all the available networks when you can connect to one from this network. For example, we can go with this one. Here you should enter your network password. In my case, that's from 1 to 8. By click here on this eye icon, you can see the password here to have some mistakes, and then just click here to connect. Wait a second, and as can you see, our device successfully connected to this network. If you want, sure, you can connect to the other one. I got here the 2 more connected networks, and you just can select this one to connect here. By the same way, we can add one more. Just enter the password, click connect, and that's it. And just to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just open the notification panel, and here on the left upper corner we can see the Wi-Fi icon. Click once to activate Wi-Fi on this icon, and after that hold for a while the icon, and by this way we'll launch the Wi-Fi settings, and you can select one from these available networks by the same way. And just to turn it off, you should click here once again on this icon and turn off the Wi-Fi switcher. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.